Hey, what's going on? It's a great day in my FBCMS land. In our last tutorial, we talked about rearranging menu items and how to remove and delete them. So I hope you learned something from the last tutorial. I hope you had some time to play with it, get used to it, and I hope you're ready for this next tutorial because this tutorial will be the shock and awe of the true power of my FBCMS. So I hope you're ready. I hope you feel the ground shaking under you right now while you're watching this tutorial, because this is the true power of my FBCMS, the Facebook Timeline Power Builder. And I can actually use that now because this particular feature is what really defines and differentiates my FBCMS from anything else out there. So I hope I'm not hyping it up too much. So anyway, in this tutorial, I'm going to cover the appearance of my FBCMS layout and your theme. Let's get started by choosing the Appearance drop-down in the Admin panel and choose Layouts. My FBCMS already comes with a default theme called My Style. This theme comes with 5 different styles. Styles give you the ability to change your Facebook fan page, font, style, and layout with the click of a mouse. By default, my FBCMS already uses Style 1. Let me show you how easy it is to change your different styles and layouts. Let's go ahead and load styles 2 through 5 in the Layout section. You can do this by clicking the style links. Now if you notice, my FBCMS gives us a preview of the style that we've picked. It also gives us 2 options. We can use the style that we've picked as a new layout, or we can use it as a new layout and set it as our default theme. Let's go ahead and choose option 2, where we're going to use it as our default theme. And let's go ahead and select 3 through 5. See how easy it is to change your styles and your layouts? Now we have all of our styles loaded in our Layout section. So what's so important about styles? Styles will help you create, add, and remove content for different pages. If you pay attention to the Layouts section, you can see that each style has a different color. This helps you differentiate each layout for better organization. You can also choose to rename your layout for better organization as well. Our current default style or layout is Style 5. Let's go ahead and change it back to Style 1. You can change whatever layout as your default layout by clicking the default link. Now that we've set our style or our layout back to Style 1, let's go ahead and go over how we can use our styles for different content and layouts and organization. So let's clean up our layout section just a little bit. Let's delete all the styles that we've added except for Style 1. Don't worry, you're not deleting your styles completely. It's only removing it from the layout section. Now let's say, for example, you wanted to use your header content only on the home page, but you don't want it to show up on the rest of your pages. You can achieve this by adding a new layout and removing your header content and only applying your new layout to the pages that you don't want your header content in. Let's give it a try. Now, my FBCMS is using Style 1 by default. We want to stay consistent, so we want to add Style 1 as a new layout. Now let's organize a little bit. We know we want our first layout to show the header and our second layout not to show the header. So let's go ahead and rename our first layout to Home. Now if you want to choose a different color, pick it in the color palette and confirm with OK. And let's change our second layout to no header. Confirm with OK. Now that we have our layouts organized, let's go ahead and remove the header content from our new layout. You can do this by clicking the Rearrange link. As you can see, my FBCMS highlights all of the areas of available content or where you can add content. We're interested in removing the header content, so click the Remove button. And let's go back to Layouts. Now we need to assign our new layouts to the pages we don't want our header content to show up in. You can do this by clicking the Content drop-down in the Admin panel and clicking on Page Manager. Now pay attention to your menu items or your pages. Each menu item or page is using your home layout. Now we know our home layout is using the header content, and our new layout is not. So we want to assign our new layout, named No Header, to the pages we don't want our header content to show up in. Click on the page or menu item and assign the new layout. Did you notice when we assigned the new layout, it changed to the color that that layout was using for that particular menu item or page? Pretty neat, huh? So let's go through and keep adding our new layout to the pages that we want. Now we have the layout set to the pages we want. Let's take a look. We'll click on the home page and our header content is in place. Let's click on the other pages. As you can see, our help videos is now using the new layout. Let's click on child page. It's using the new layout. Pretty simple. Now let's go back to layouts. Now what if you wanted to add new content and only show it on certain pages? You can do this by creating another layout. So let's choose Style 1 and we're going to use the theme as a new layout. Stay organized, so we're going to rename it and we're going to name this New Content. And I'm going to make this color a little bit darker. Change it to blue and click OK to confirm. To add new content to our new layout, go to your admin panel and choose Extra Content. Now MyFBCMS already lets us know the content that's available in this layout. We can choose one of the ones that doesn't have content, or we can add a new one. So let's add a new one. We'll name it New Content and click Add New Area. And you notice after we've added a new area, MyFBCMS takes us right into the WYSIWYG so we can go ahead and add our new content. So let's add an image. I'm going to browse our server. Let me bring in our window here, and I'm going to go ahead and just choose the Logo 2 image. It's a little large, so I'm going to resize it to 150, and I'm going to click OK. And we have our new content in our WYSIWYG, so let's go ahead and hit Save. Now that we have our new content area in place, let's assign it to our new layout. So let's go to Layouts in the admin panel. Let's click on Rearrange, and let's go ahead and add our new content in the Module 2 area. Click Insert and add our new content area, and let's make sure it's in place. And to stay consistent, we removed our header content area in our last layout, so we might want to do that here so it's not showing up throughout the other pages. Click Remove. Now we've created our new layout, we've named it, and we've added our new area with our new content in the new layout. Now let's add the new layout to a page. So we'll go to Page Manager and we'll choose the page we want this new layout with our new content to show up in. So let's click on the About page. Choose our layout and click New Content. Now our new layout with our new content is now assigned to the About page. Let's have a look. Click on our Home button. You can see that our new content is not present because our home page is not using the new content layout. Neither is the Help page, but we've assigned it to our About page. And there it is. Our new layout with our new content has been assigned to our About page. Now you see how easy it is to apply themes, styles, and layouts to your Facebook fan page using the power of MyFBCMS. Don't forget to view our other tutorials as I go more into depth about how to use MyFBCMS building Facebook fan pages.